Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to enable always show meeting controls in Arattai app on your Android. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to enable always show meeting controls in Arattai app when it is inactive, then I'll show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Arattai app. In top left side corner you will find three horizontal lines. Tap on that, then tap on settings. After that, here you can see calls and meetings. You have to tap on that. In this you will find one option, always show meeting controls. Below you can see show meeting controls even during screen is inactive. You have to just enable this option. After enabling, then it will always show meeting controls when it is inactive. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.